Finally, what a nice bream, guys.
On feeder rods, the last section is very soft and flexible.
It looks like a real monster. Hello guys, let me show you today how simple and enjoyable fishing for coarse fish can be. Let me show you how to fish with feeder. Not everyone knows feeder, but it's a very successful fishing method for carp, roach, bream, chub, many fish. You can catch almost any fish in the river, and I'm going to provide you proof today. So let's start and catch some monsters. Let's get it. All right, and the most important when you fish with feeder is fish food. Yeah, like that, just like that. Sensors is just one of my favorite fish food, and the mix, especially when I target carp, pellets, sweet magic pellets, and this fish meal, carp pellets, is a great combination for the summer months. I just have some food ready in this box, and let's start fishing. For now, just right maggots. With maggots. I will use just 3 maggots on a hook number 14, and the line, I think 7 pounds line, quite thin, 3.5 feet long leader, very long leader. And this is a great combination to find out if a fish bites or not. All right. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Just beautiful. Let's make a cast and we'll see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Little one, but it's okay for me. It's okay. Just a little fish. Happy with any fish. It was quick. And it looks like we have a small chub, because this bite was very rough. Yeah, here we go. Not a big one. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah.
Flat feeder fishing is one of the most exciting and effective ways to target carp and bream. The flat feeder rig delivers your bait right where the fish are feeding, keeping your hook bait perfectly presented among a little pile of ground bait or pellets. It's simple, efficient, and incredibly fun. You never know if the next bite will be a hungry bream or a powerful carp bending your rod. Perfect for anglers who love both relaxation and adrenaline on the bank.
Oh! Not a big one, but still very nice bite. Yeah! Huh! But not even a small one. Look at that! Bream. Yeah. Come on. Finally, what a nice bream, guys. Okay, let's go back. Hop.
On feeder rods, the last section is very soft and flexible, so-called quiver tip. It's basically your bite indicator. However, I'll just love using the small bell on my rod stand.
Let's go, let's go. Again, breamy day. That's interesting that the last time I didn't have any breams, but now I do have one by one. Okay, show yourself and go back to the water. Yeah. Beautiful fish, isn't it? Yeah. Just at the edge of the mouth. Yeah. Nice. About almost 2 pounds fish. Exciting. Okay. Go back. Up. It looks like they do have a break. Oh. Looks like a beautiful fish. Again, we have. Oh, look at that. Oh, heavy one. Heavy one indeed. Okay, up and down, pumping. This is called pumping. Up and down, up, slow. Oh. This is a traveler. It looks like a real monster, this one. All right, here we go. Oh man, this is a beautiful fish.
Yeah.
Look at that. Oh man. Okay, go. All right. Hey. Hey.
Oh.
Like 12 pounds fish. Over 12 pounds. Monster. Oh.
Oh. Huge.
Monster carp. Okay, come on, let's go back. Hop. Thanks, pal. So guys, please let me know if you enjoyed today's video about feeder, and I will shoot more videos about this fishing method. Tight lines, be blessed, and see you in the next video.